This is our sixth year Doctor of Dental Medicine student. Our Miss Posture International 2023. Our Miss Hope Philippines 2023. Hello, hello, hello. Our Miss Posture Philippines 2022. Showtime Sexy Big Weekly Finalist. Runway Queen 2022 and Outstanding Young Pinay by former VP Lenny Robredo in 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Maria Isabel Reyonal. Palakpakan naman natin. Doon sa kabila. para maka-runway tayo. Ang first. Yun, palakpakan naman natin. Yan. So this is Maria Isabel Reyonal. Okay. Our third brand ambassador is a theater actor. Yung production company niya was Repertory Philippines, Trumpets, Musical Theater of the Philippines, Singapore Lyric Opera, and some of them, he is known for this theater and musical plays. Spolarium, main cast, si Sir, okay, main cast si Sir, which he had the Jose Rizal, no? And yung understudy niya is si Juan Luna. He also had Fiddler of the Roof, siya yung student prince. The Beauty and the Beast, Fork and Townspeople, yung character niya. Aida, it's a Broadway play, no? Part of the ensemble. And Jack and the Beanstalk, he's the Evil Baron. He's a singer, a voice coach, events director and host, and an entrepreneur. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Alan or Direk Alan Dale Aluhipan. Thank you so much, Direk. Yan. Dito po, sir. Okay. Our next brand ambassador is an entrepreneur, a showtime dancer, an influencer, and a cutie mama of two. Sabi nga niya, no? Ang pinakabago nating brand ambassador here at Dear Self Aesthetic and Wellness Center, Maria Antonia Divina Corazon or Madsi Luna. Palakpakan naman po natin. Napakahaba ng pangalan, no? Yan po si Madsi. Kung mapapanood po natin siya sa Showtime, yan, makikita po natin siya. Thank you so much. Our next and new brand ambassador for Dear Self Aesthetic and Wellness Center, a singer-songwriter, a voice and guitar coach. Yan, he's a recording artist. Some of the songs na na-record niya is I'll Stay, his original composition. Paskong Wala Ka Na, composed by Charlie Fry. Some of the composition by Tina Benamide, Fast and Always Been Just You. Facebook Viral Sensation 2022 garnered 3.8 million views on cover songs, Someone Who Believes in You by Air Supply. And of course, yung TV appearances niya for sure. Alam natin to, 2021, 12 weeks champion singling at TV5. 2008, Singing Bee 3 Days champion. 2014, first runner-up stars on 45 Volume 2 ABS-CBN at Showtime. And 2016, 3 days defending champion and restbacker in Tawag ng Tanghalan of ABS-CBN at Showtime. Ladies and gentlemen, Marty Linian. Yan. Thank you so much. Mamaya tatanungin natin sila sa mga messages nila. But before that, of course, next brand ambassador natin, again, another new brand ambassador of Dear Self Aesthetic and Wellness Center. An artist under Full Blast Management and Entertainment. She is currently a host at Fiesta Fruit Game Apple to Apple and a freelance model for different events, advertisements, and promotions. Aside from being in the entertainment industry, she also makes sure that education is one of the top priorities, which is why she is currently an Eskwela ng Bayan at Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, Jasmine Joyce Jordan. Palakpakan naman natin. That's Jasmine. Okay. Our next brand ambassador is a singer, songwriter, performer, theater actor, voice actor, commercial jingle singer, and best known for his recent appearances or appearance as semi-finalist in Dreammaker, The Search for the Next Global Pop Group, and The Voice Teens Season 2 under Team Apple, the app in ABS-CBN. He is currently a live streamer in TikTok. For all we know, his first composed song, Di Inaakala, released by ABS-CBN Star Music and produced by Full Blast Management, is already now on all streaming platforms. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Joshua Ryan Nubla. Wala pa siya. Paparating pa lang po si Joshua. Okay, sorry for that. And also Lucky Robles, he's renewing his contract with us. But later on, meron tayong video ni Lucky Robles. He's a Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 1 alumni, Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 2 and Season 3 vocal coach, and very recent, Tanghalan ng Kampiyon Final 8 Grand Finalist. Siya si Lucky Robles. And of course, yung next brand ambassador natin na traffic din po, he is the Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 7 Grand Champion and Star Magic Polaris Artist, Miss Rhea Jen Villarreal. Pero paparating po siya. We will be acknowledging her presence pag dumating na po siya. And of course, another influencer or brand ambassador, a former Showtime dancer, a Silo and Revel Manila brand ambassador from 27 to 2022, online streamer, singling dancer TV5, PBA halftime dancer for 3 consecutive conferences, and Super Babe host in online gaming of the Philippines. So Fiesta Fruit Game Apple to Apple from March 2024 to present. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Amina Magat. Yan. So this is her second time na magsasign siya ng contract with us. Okay, so another Showtime dancer, an influencer, hot mama, and freelance host. And this will be the third time she will be renewing a contract with us. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Mary Grace Abina. Hello. And last but definitely not the least, AKA, mamaya natin sabihin yun, no? Showtime dancer, social media influencer, model, TikTok influencer, and affiliate blogger, AKA Boom Boom Neri. Ladies and gentlemen, Neri J. Lopera. Ayan. So si Neri J, Amina, and Grace, sila yung faces in Dear Self from 2022. No, 2022 up until now. Yun. Again guys, palakpakan naman natin. This is the set of influencers that we have for this 2024. Ay, nandito na pala si Miss Rhea Jen Villarreal. Yan. The grand champion of It's Showtime Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 7. Miss Rhea Jen Villarreal. Tayo natin. Anyway, now we have to hear some few words. Sige, pwede na tayong umupo, mga girls, no? Girls and sir, mga sirs.